Hi guys, I am Nikhil Joshi. Today we are going to discuss a very interesting and a rather challenging topic, friends. Now why do I say it is challenging? So from astrological perspective it is one thing to analyze your zodiac sign, but it's a totally different ball game to analyze your friend circle. So by zodiac signs I mean your ascendant sign or lagna sign or moon sign or your sun sign. So look at this video from all the three signs if you know all the three of them, but if you know any one of them, go ahead and look at any one of your signs. But I would suggest look at all the 12 of them so that you can better understand your friend circle, your partner's friend circle, or even your child's friend circle. So let's start with Aries or Mesh. Now Aries have a large friend circle. Why not? They have such energy with them and they have a natural tendency to pull many friends in their social circle. Now their friends are usually intellectual, forward thinking, and typically aloof. So if they go to a party, you will be the focus of attention in that party and your friends will be like, okay, you go ahead. So that way you are the center of attraction in a party and you love that, frankly. Now your friends are, as I said, very aloof and they may not be able to keep up with your energy. So try to lower down your energy if you can. I know it is very difficult for Mesh or Aries people to lower their energy levels, but try to do that and your friend circle and you will have a very good relationship. Moving on to Taurus or Vrishab. Now it might be surprising to many of you, but Taurus people like spiritual friends or friends who have a religious bent of mind. They like to discuss any spiritual or dharmic things with their friend and they find peace with that. So Taurians, I would suggest expand your friend circle, look out for any spiritual or religious minded friends, and one more thing, your friends will always be able to help you. They will have a soothing energy in them. Now moving on to Gemini. They love their friend circle who are energetic, decisive, those who play sports, those who are always in the outdoors. But one thing that Gemini people like is whenever they plan a trip or any outing, they would like their friends to make the decisions. They will not be involved in the decision making, where to go, how to plan, which hotel to book. They are not interested in that. They would rather leave it to their friends. Now moving on to Cancer. Now typically their friend circle is stable, relaxed, calm, or I might say lazy people. So Cancerians are like frustrated with their lazy friends, seemingly lazy friends, but they have to cope up with that. Now, but they enjoy their time with them, going to art festivals, engaging in music or watching simply movies. Now moving on to Leo. Their friends are chatty, gossiping, like to do some small talk, humorous talk of a very mundane nature. And if their friends know that you are a Leo and they praise you, you are out of this world. You will be, oh my god, my friends are awesome. Moving on to Gemini. Gemini people's friends are very emotional. Their friends want the emotional support from you and you are very good at providing that support. They typically would like you to meet them at your home or at their home, and you also enjoy their company. Food is the binding factor for you and your friends. Now moving on to Libra. You will typically have a small friend circle who is generous, who is always willing to help you. They are also party going, loving and easygoing kind of friends. But one thing that you need to take care of is their ego. And I am sure with your balanced nature, you will be easily able to handle all their egoistical things or their sudden burst of anger or any emotional outbreaks that they may have. Moving on to Scorpio. Now, their friends are typically indecisive. They are like, when they go shopping, they will think 100 times before buying a shirt, and the Scorpio in you will then go ahead and say, hey, buy that blue shirt and get over with it. So but your friend circle will love food, and they are very punctual, detail oriented, and it would be a good compliment of your decisive nature and their indecisiveness. Moving on to Sagittarius. Now, Sagittarius probably has a more diverse set of friends than any other sign. So their friend circle is typically, going out to movies, also having intellectual discussions, then party going, also, thinking about new business ventures. Then you will think, oh, I have this business idea, and then your friends will pitch in, oh, yes, that looks good. But so Sagittarian energy, of going in new directions is tempered by your friend circle, who will give you practical and sound advice. Moving on to Capricorn. Now, this is a very interesting sign. So they like their friend circle to discuss on occult, conspiracy theories, unknown things, any suspense kind of movies. Those things they like to discuss it with their friends. And one great quality of Capricorn or Makar is that they make the friends for life. Once they have their friend circle, they will maintain it till the end. So Aquarius, Kumbha, your friend circle typically would be moody. You won't understand what is in their mind. In 5 o'clock in the evening, they will say, hey, let's go here. Then suddenly you will say, oh, the plans have changed. They are moving in totally different direction. So they are moody, but they are very honest. They will give you a true and honest opinion on any topic that you consult them with. They also have a very entrepreneurial or, doing something new kind of energy with them. So your energy will match with them with that regard. Moving on to Pisces. Now, they typically love to have a friend circle who is conservative, who is orthodox, and stable, not doing too many flashy things. They want a simple friend circle. They chit chat, go to a movie or, have a simple dinner, and they are happy with that. But they don't want any flashiness or any new things in their friend circle. So guys, I hope you like this very different topic. Let me know your comments in the comment section below. Until next time, thank you. Goodbye.